Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you my lamp that I've been working on. This is the reproduction of a lamp that I originally made in Second Life, and I decided that I wanted a real life version of it. Actually in Second Life it's a coffee table. So anyway, I tried a bunch of different ways to do it. It took me forever, but I 3D printed it and I put this light inside it. I don't know if the colors really come out as good in video as they do in person, but there is, it's also a little bit holographic. I'm not sure if that shows up or not. It's not quite finished. I still have some touch-ups to do, and but I'm pretty happy about it because I think it's turned out pretty good considering everything I've went through to get here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.